How to change username on Snapchat before 1 year. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile that is on the top left corner. Tap on your settings that is on the top right corner. Then tap on username. When you try to change it, you will see you'll only be able to change once in a year. Tap on continue or cancel. Next, what you need to do now is you want to scroll down until you see I need help. When you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Here, as you enter this interface, go to the search bar and search for change username. Many options will appear where you want to tap on the very first one. Then you will see an article of how can you change your username. So this does not help us at all. So what we need to do here is you want to go back to the home screen and tap on I need help again. Now here you can search for the solution, or what you can do is you want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see contact us. After you see it, you want to go ahead and tap on it. Select I need help with Snapchat features. Now you want to scroll down a little bit, then tap on changing my username. Here, as you still need help, what you need to do is tap on yes. Now enter your username, your email, and in description you have to write that you are not being able to change your username since you have entered it mistakenly before. And then go ahead and tap on send. After some time, Snapchat will reach out to you and then you'll be able to solve the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.